Debt can feel overwhelming, but you can turn things around faster than you think. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get out of debt quickly and start building the financial freedom you deserve. Know your numbers. Start by writing down exactly how much you owe and to whom. Include the total amount, interest rates, and minimum payments. Knowing your debt inside and out is the first step to tackling it head-on. Think of this as your starting point. Facing the numbers might feel scary, but it gives you a clear picture of what needs to change. Create a budget. You need a plan for your money. Track your income and expenses, then create a budget that ensures every dollar has a purpose. Cut back on non-essential spending like dining out or subscription services and redirect that money toward paying off your debt. Pick a debt repayment strategy. There are two popular methods to crush your debt: the snowball method, pay off the smallest debts first while making minimum payments on the rest. This builds momentum and gives you quick wins. The avalanche method, focus on debts with the highest interest rates first to save money in the long run. Choose the method that keeps you motivated. Boost your income. Consider taking on a side hustle or selling items you no longer need. Use every extra dollar to pay off your debt. Here are a few ideas. Offer freelance services. Sell unwanted clothes or gadgets online. Take up part-time gigs like ride-sharing or tutoring. Every little bit adds up. Negotiate your debt. You'd be surprised at how many creditors are willing to work with you if you ask. Contact them to negotiate lower interest rates, waive fees, or set up manageable repayment plans. Don't hesitate to explore balance transfers or consolidating loans, but be cautious. Make sure you're not creating more debt in the process. Stay consistent and motivated. Getting out of debt requires patience and consistency. Celebrate small victories along the way. Paid off one debt? Treat yourself to something small and meaningful. Track your progress, remind yourself of your goals, and stay focused. You're on your way to financial freedom. Getting out of debt isn't easy, but with the right mindset and actions, it's absolutely possible. Take these steps today and start building a debt-free future.